Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how I created this very cute kitchen. Let's begin. Start by adding a cube and press S to make it bigger and modify the dimensions like this. Now copy and paste and rotate 90 degrees to create the wall and position it like this. Tab in, press 3 to select the faces. Select the top face. Press G and Z and bring it to the same level as the other wall. Now select the side face and bring it to the same level as the other wall. Now add another cube and modify the dimensions like this. Add another cube. Modify the dimensions like this and bring it close to the wall to create the kitchen cabinets. Modify the cube's dimensions like this. Copy and paste and move it down and modify it like this. Tab in, press Ctrl R and add to loops. Press S and Y and move them to the sides. Now press 3 to select the faces. Press E to extrude and drag downwards. Do the same thing on the other side. Tab in, select the top face and press E. Now select the front face and press E to create the kitchen countertop. Press Ctrl R and add loops like this. Select this face and press E. Drag downwards to create the sink. Add more loops to make the sink border. Now select the faces, press E and drag upwards to create the border. Add a loop and drag it to the bottom. Now select the faces and press E to drag them back. Do the same thing for the side cabinets. Add another cube and position it like this to create the frame for the electrical outlets. Go back to the kitchen cabinet, tab in, add more loops to create the cabinets. Press 2 to select the edges. Select the edge and press Ctrl B. Then press E and X and drag inwards. Do the same thing for the other two edges. Add more loops to create the drawers and do the same thing with the edges. For the central cabinet, do it only for the first and last edge because we'll make the oven. Add a cylinder to create the oven knobs. Add a cube and modify it like this to create the oven handle. Add two loops and move them to the outer sides. Then select the faces and press E to extrude. Position the handle in the correct position. Add a plane and modify it like this to create the handles for the drawers. Select the edge by pressing E and create a shape like this. Add a subdivision surface modifier, a solidify and a bevel modifier. Tab in, Ctrl R to add loops and position them like this. Position it like this. Copy and paste the handles and position them in the other drawers. Now add a bevel modifier to the kitchen counter. Add a bevel and a subdivision modifier to the various elements. Ctrl R and add loops in the corners of the handles. Select the kitchen cabinets. Control R and add 3 loops to create the cupboards. Select the edges and press Ctrl B. Then press E and X and drag inwards.
While it's all on the table, I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show it too. Not different from anyone, not better, but I wish I was. Just give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them from everything I've seen. There's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and
Add a cylinder to create the faucet. Position it near the faucet and modify it like this.
So I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me? 'Cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The songs of misdirection to us and gives you likes. So I'll step back in line. So now I'll step back in line.
Tab in. Select the top face.
So now I'll step back in line.
Press E to extrude. Press E again and extrude. Holding Alt, select the faces we just created. Press S and scale inwards. Add the modifiers. Add another cylinder and modify the dimensions like this. Position it near the faucet. Add the modifiers. Copy and paste and modify like this. Tab in, select the top face and press I. Copy and paste again and modify like this to make the last element of the faucet. Add a cube and modify it like this to create the cooktop. Position it above the oven. Add modifiers. Now add a cylinder and modify it like this to create the table. Tab in, select the top face and press S to scale. Add another cylinder to make the top part of the table. Add the modifiers. Add a cylinder to create the chair and modify it like this. Add the modifiers. Now add a Bezier curve. Move it near the base of the chair. Press R and Y and rotate 90 degrees. Position it like this. Tab in, modify the curve like this. Select the last vertex and press E to add a new one and R to rotate it like this. Now add a mirror modifier. Select the chair base as the object, and select the X and Y axes. Copy and paste. Select the newly copied legs and remove the mirror modifier and delete the chair base. Tab in. Delete the last vertex. Tab out. Rotate the curve 180 degrees and position it like this. Add a mirror modifier, with the chair base as the object. Now add a torus and modify the dimensions from the panel in the bottom left. Position it above the chair. Select the top view. Select the X-ray view. Select half of the torus and delete the faces. Here I decided to modify the height of the backrest. Tab in. Select 2 to select the edges. Holding down Alt, select the entire edge. Right-click and select New Face from Edges. Do the same thing on the other side. Now add the modifiers. Select the entire chair, selecting the chair base last, and click Ctrl P and then select Object Keep Transform. Position the chair as you prefer. Reselect the entire chair and copy and paste. Position it on the other side of the table. Select the floor. Tab in. Ctrl R and add a loop in this position. Now create a window. Select the wall. Tab in. Ctrl R and add loops like this.
Not different from anyone. Give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them. From everything I've seen, there's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass that to even one. So as I contradict myself, oh, won't you please forgive me? 'Cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The songs of misdirection to whistles and gives you likes. So I'll step back in line. So now I'll step back in line. So now I'll step back in line.
Now select the faces and press E to extrude. So I realized I made a mistake, so I selected these faces and brought them forward. Then I added a loop and brought it to the level of the window edge. Now add a plane to make the window curtains. Modify it like this. Now add a cylinder to make the chandelier. Modify the cylinder like this. Select the bottom face of the cylinder. Press I to create a face at the center of the cylinder. Now select the new face at the center and press E to extrude. Now add the modifiers. Now add a cube and position it like this. Elongate it and add a subdivision surface. Tab in, Control R and add a loop and position it like this. Select the bottom face and press I. Now add a cylinder and modify it like this. Add the modifiers. Now add a sphere and modify it like this to create the light bulb. Copy and paste and press S to scale and slightly modify the shape. Add the modifiers.
While it's all on the table, I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show
Add another
it to.
sphere to create a bowl and modify it like this.
Not better, but I wish I was. Just give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them from everything I've seen. There's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass that to even one. So as I contradict myself, oh, won't you please forgive me? 'Cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The songs of misdirection to whistles and gives you likes. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. So now step back in line.
Add a cube to create a tray like this.
There's no more left to see. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. There's no more left to see.
Add a cylinder to create decorative containers. Finally, add a plane to make the background.
While it's all on the table,
Now add the materials.
I'm not real. I lead the life you want from me, and I show it too. Not different from anyone, not better, but I wish I was. Just give me the lines you need to read, and I'll say them. From everything I've seen, there's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one. And I hate to pass out to even one, so I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me? 'Cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The song's a misdirection to what sells and gives you likes. So step back in line. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. There's no more left to see. So now step back in line. So now step back in line. There's no more left to see.
That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos like these and leave a like to support the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.